بسم الله الحمد لله والثناء لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Hadith of the day is about making sure your mouth is clean before prayer. It is reported by Bukhari and Muslim that the Prophet ﷺ mentions in the Hadith, لولا أن أشق على أمتي لأمرتهم بالسواك عند كل صلاة. That if I did not fear difficulty for my ummah, then I would have commanded them to use the siwak before every prayer. There is strong encouragement in this hadith for cleaning the mouth, in making it smell good with the siwak or something similar, such as a toothbrush. We also learn from this hadith that the Prophet ﷺ was eager to make things easy for the people and not difficult. He loved for others to be clean and perfume themselves before prayer for anyone able to do so. The only reason he ﷺ avoided commanding it was that it does not become burdensome on his followers. The siwak is a piece of small stick taken from specific types of trees, such as the arak tree, by which the user rubs his teeth in order to clean them and freshen the mouth. It was the common method to brush the teeth during that time.